All right, check it out, y'all. This is Fishy up here at Guasti Lake out here in Ontario, California. I just got up here right now and I threw my pose out. So we're going on here live to check and see if we can catch anything. Let me give y'all a view of the lake. It's a nice day. See if we can catch some trouts. A few fishermen's up here. Yeah, first time back at Guasti in about 15 years. I'm just getting back up here. Today is my granddaughter's birthday, so they're having a party up here for her. Hope I see somebody catch a fish up here.